BM 7 Series. BMW 7 Series, the perfect blend of luxury and technology. Soft leather seats and ambient lighting make every ride special. Smooth engine, silent cabin, pure driving comfort. Smart screens and premium features at your fingertips. BMW 7 Series. Elegance, style, and ultimate sophistication. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. First-class luxury on wheels. Reclining seats and massage features make every ride royal. Ultra-quiet cabin, supreme comfort and elegance. High-end technology with classic Mercedes styling. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Luxury redefined. Bentley Flying Spur. Bentley Flying Spur. Handcrafted luxury and timeless design. Diamond-stitched leather seats and real wood interiors. Powerful engine with smooth, confident handling. Attention to every detail inside and out. Bentley Flying Spur, the art of luxury driving. At Rolls-Royce Ghost. Rolls-Royce Ghost. Silent power and unmatched sophistication. Starlight headliner and plush interior create a magical vibe. Smooth suspension, ultra-quiet cabin, pure comfort. Every feature handcrafted for perfection. Rolls-Royce Ghost, elegance on every road. Rolls-Royce Phantom. Rolls-Royce Phantom, the ultimate king of luxury. Majestic design, starlight roof, and serene interior. Supreme comfort with every detail crafted to perfection. Silent drive, powerful engine, pure regal experience. Rolls-Royce Phantom, a moving palace of elegance. Majestic design, starlight roof, and serene interior. Silent drive, powerful engine,